Koalas are iconic Australian marsupials known for their fluffy ears, large noses, and gentle demeanor. They primarily live in eucalyptus trees and have a specialized diet consisting almost entirely of eucalyptus leaves, which are tough and low in nutrients. To manage this, koalas have a slow metabolism and sleep up to 18-20 hours a day. Despite their sleepy appearance, they are excellent climbers and have sharp claws for gripping trees. Koalas are also known for their unique vocalizations, ranging from soft grunts to loud bellows, especially during the mating season.